Hi guys, in this video I will show you exactly how to leverage Apollo's feature to find ideal clients and collect quality leads for skyrocket your sales pipeline. So let's go to today's video. I am going to my browser and type on here apollo.io. I have an account, so I am going to log in. Okay, and then I go log in with Google. Okay, already I have an account. That's why I am going to log in, and I am now on my dashboard, Apollo dashboard. I'm going to search menu. Click on it. So now you can see so many filter here. So you can edit some value there. So there are email status, job title, list, persona, company name, location, email, industry, invoice, by intent, everything here. So if you need any targeted company, person, name, title, everything you can find here. So you can see here 281 millions leads are already here. All leads are linear leads. So it is very powerful for you for grow your business. So I am now filtering some data. Now choosing I need owner and CEO. So search on CEO. You can find every all title here. Okay, CEO and click on CEO. You can find all of the categories, all of the titles, people here. So now I'm select which industry I want to collect the leads. So I am collecting fashion and apparels owner leads. So I am going to the industry and search on here fashion. You can see apparels and fashion here. I am click on it and select it. So now I'm going to the location option. Click the location. I am selecting United States. You can see United States here. I am selecting the United States. So you can see now total to 25,000 leads here. So I am selecting. So you can scroll down and you can see unverified leads here. But I no need any unverified leads. I need only the verified leads. So I click on the verified and likely to engage leads. So I'm click both. Now I'm select this page and go to the net new option. Okay. Now select here. Select this page. Click on here and click on the plus icon, and now I'm typing a name fashion and lives in USA. So select it and save it here. Now click on the save icon. You can see editing the prospect. So now I am going to refresh. I'm clicking again and select this page and click on the plus button again and select this folder. This folder I already created before. So save it. So you can select again and again. So how many leads do you need? When you need more leads, you can select again. So after save this, I'm going to save. You can click here or you can go to the list here. Select the list. Already I saved it. So searches here. Fashion and apparels. Click on it. So now I'm going to select this all leads and click on here. Now selected the all people. So I am export here. Now click on the export button. So you can see the export selected record to CSV. So I am going to this export here, export button here. Click on it, and now I am export the record. So click on the export record. but you can see the show Apollo show me by users limit because I am using the basic. So if you need to update it, so you can go to the update option. Now I am using the free plan. That's why I cannot export because my export limit is 10 export credit. I collect 10 15 leads, but my credit 10 export credit. So you can choose any one package like basic. You can see unlimited email credit and 250 export credit and a professional package $99 and you can buy a custom plan and you can see the feature, what is the benefits and what is the plan. So you can see here everything. Now you can select any one this package. I am giving a link in this description below. So thank you for watching. I think this video is helpful for you. If you need our lead generation service, please contact us. I am giving our contact information link in the below.